We at ZeroLight help BMW to enhance this experience for the BMW M5 owners or prospects. We were really thinking about how to improve the experience, really thinking from the customer's perspective.
With these customers, they are very much hardcore BMW fans, so they're going to notice every detail. So it's important for us that the details are accurate.
I think with the M fans, I think they will be able to relate to what we've done in terms of its performance of the vehicle, the dynamic look of it, the styling. I think we've captured all that very nicely in VR. They'll get a very highly immersive experience, very similar to what they would experience in real life.
The attention to detail needs to be there from the start, so down to the last pixel, I want to make sure that everything is done well, and that the effort of design and the experience itself is right up there.
The unique thing about this experience is that the UI is very intuitive. Rather than having some overlay that you would normally experience in VR, it's all 3D objects and you can touch and feel and haptic feedback on the controllers.
What we've done is we've taken our existing vehicle dynamics to actually simulate the car moving. You've got the raindrops going on, you've got spray off the wheels.
You're going to feel much more like you were part of the experience as opposed to just viewing the experience. We are allowed to bring more and more things in on top of what's already there, so we can make it a lot more fun and memorable for the user.
This experience is engaging as it covers the whole customer journey, before the event, at the event and after the event, and especially VR being that engaging as you can make it your car and you can directly interact with your car.
When I was on the track and sitting in the real M5, this is really close, really close.
I had several experiences in virtual reality, but this is definitely, from my perspective, the most advanced one. Very detailed, very close, very perfectly executed.
They get the whole experience, and then they also get a takeaway at the end, and being able to show their friends and talk about look how cool my car looks. I think it's great to get that connected journey where you go through everything and then you get something at the end as well.